Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this arc shaped portal in CapCut PC. So grab your video and just copy and paste that. Oops. And then go to cutout and select auto cutout. And then I'm just going to place it up here. I'm then going to add in like that other world portal. Okay, that was very hard to say. Did I cut out this one? Okay, I did. Then select the video. And then you are going to mask. And then you're going to select rectangle. And you're going to reverse that. And you're going to kind of create, firstly, like a rectangle shape here. You're then going to right click, create compound clip. And then you're going to add in a circle to create the like arc shape. Okay, it has to be like around here. It's not going to be super perfect, as you can see. Like that. And then you can even add in a shadow like underneath. So add in like a black stock video. If it's not enough, just freeze frame it. First, we're going to do the rectangle one. We're going to like actually reverse it this time. And we're going to feather that out. And as you can see, it creates like a lot of dimension to it. So it looks like a little more realistic, I guess. If it's not like light enough, just adjust the opacity here. But I think it's fine. And here I think I just want to adjust it a little bit more. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.